Okay, so with the spirit level, my cabinet is in line. Yeah, this cabinet, this out this, it has been fixed right now. It was just picked up yesterday from Palace Mall. Yeah, Palace, just the one by Spinters Road. Good. Then due to the window, this is where we bring the mirror. So this is the mirror. The mirror too, if you look at the level, is in line. Exactly. So this, the mirror. That is how the mirror opens. So this is where we bring the mirror. So if you come to this washroom, well, there's going to be a bath here though, even though it's not yet in. There's going to be a jacuzzi bath here. Yeah. Then from there, you have the WC pot that is fixed earlier on. Then we have this. Okay. So this is the WC pot. This WC pot is being fixed. Bring the camera forward. This. And then the water heater. This is the water heater. This one is also being fixed. Then this shower. Okay. The shower is also being fixed. Jet. That's it flowing. That's it flowing. That's the telephone shower flowing. And this one, that's this one flowing. Yeah, so I'm done with this washroom for this appliance.
Yeah.
Okay. So get this knob this way, then you change to the telephone shower for you. But before you change the knob to this one, when it comes this way, that means you flow through your gas. So you can flow through the telephone shower. And when you click this knob this way, then that means you have to flow through the top.